So I thought today, really? Keto-friendly meal prep. I know I haven't made one of these videos in a while, so I decided today would be the perfect day to make a healthy meal prep / what I ate in a day video. I also decided to make it a low carb and keto meal prep because I kind of wanted to try the low carb thing for a bit, so we'll see how that goes. So I'm going to run to the grocery store and get some food and then come back and we can start cooking. Okay, $50 later, this is what we got. I got some broccoli, some baby spinach, some Coke Zero sugar. I like these, there's 0 carbs in them. Some asparagus, some sausage, some bacon, an avocado, a bell pepper, some mozzarella cheese, a sirloin steak, and some chicken breast strips for salads or whatever I want to put that on. So there's my little haul. And now let's cook. We're gonna roast us some asparagus. So bake. I prepped the steak and I just seasoned it with olive oil, salt and pepper, garlic powder, and some minced onion because I didn't have onion powder, unfortunately. Okay, chicken should be about done. It looks really good. And the asparagus should be coming along just fine. Alright, so I have my chicken and asparagus ready to go. Now we're just going to sear the steak and then stick it in the oven. Okay, so I literally almost just set the house on fire trying to cook these damn steaks. I think they look good, I guess. I don't know. We'll see how they taste. But yeah, Pop just stopped by the house to make sure I was still alive, like, an hour later. So that's good. And I also chopped up some zucchini and seasoned them with seasoned salt, and I'm roasting them for a few minutes. I'm going to pair them with the steak. Here is my meal prep. I got my chicken, my veggies, asparagus, and zucchini, and then 2 steaks for dinner. So this is going to be my lunch and dinner probably for the next 2 or 3 days. So we'll see. Okay, but despite almost burning down the house, the steak actually turned out really good. It's so delicious and tender. Alright guys, well that concludes this video. I hope you guys liked it and got some good ideas. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!